Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin Wilgus with Floors Come True. Today we're visiting a stair runner installation. The client had a beautiful hardwood staircase, but just wanted to add a runner down the middle for additional comfort and safety. Let's take a quick look at the steps involved in a project like this. The carpet was brought to the site and cut to size. Then we used our on-site carpet binder to make quick work of adding a professional finished edge to the sides of the carpet. Once bound, the carpet was easily put back into place and tacked down. In addition to the bound sides, this customer elected to have their stairs installed in a Hollywood style, where the stair noses are tightly wrapped with the carpet. The customer decided on a perfect width to allow the carpet runner to be very useful, but still allow the beautiful wood to show through on the sides. In just a few hours, we transformed the customer's staircase from bare wood to a beautiful finished project. She couldn't have been happier with the results. If you're in the Chicagoland area and need a runner for your stairs or any other carpet, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, or tile project, please reach out to us.
Call or click or two, we'll bring the showroom right to you. 877-88 Floors Come True.